We are going to try a different box today. We did not know that Illuminati has its own box. Apparently it's been around for a while. We've gotten some of their products in other subscription boxes, so we do accept the chance that we might get a duplicate or something that we've already gotten previously, yet we thought, let's give it a try and see what happens. So let's see if it's worth the $30. First up is a lip product, a lip balm. This is from Creme de la Cube. It should look familiar because we just got this in the first Hollywood Star box that we tried a couple months ago. We knew there might be duplicates, and I can't find it anywhere except on eBay for $15, just as a price reference to see what the value for this box will be. Also in the duplicate category, we got this quite some time ago when Slay Glam was doing their box. Have not heard from Slay Glam in quite some time. This is from Babe Beauty. It is a bronze highlighter. I know we've had this one because I've got it sitting over in another cabinet. Again, we knew there was a possibility of duplicates. This one has a retail of $12 on Poshmark. And from the brand of Feel, we have a hydrating eyeshadow primer, which I have one of these. It's sitting, waiting to be used if it's still any good. But like we said, we knew and we accepted the chance that there would be duplicates. So I need to get on the ball and start using this stuff again. And apparently that can be found on the Illuminati website for $21. This is some fun and awesome packaging. Yes, it is. This is also from Babe Beauty. And I will say, looking things up, their website is a little sketchy. It shows prices and names of items, but it doesn't show you the picture. That kind of got my attention a little bit. Anyhow, I think the package is too stinking cute. This is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Gold Opal. So that's what she looks like. Oh, that will be fun to play with. Yes, I think that will be fun to play with. And we only see that item fully listed on eBay for $5. From Babe Beauty and Fifi Rose Beauty, we have two eyeshadow sticks that are very similar in color. One thing I thought was nice about these is at their other end of their eyeshadow stick, you get a brush. Easy to blend if there's a brush attached to it. I thought that was a pretty neat idea. And pricing on that, as near as I can tell from looking around at different places, they're $8 each. Trying to lean in a little bit so you can once again see them. They are rather similar in color. From Illuminati, we get a lip oil and a lip gloss. Those can come in handy. Now, supposedly, these are $20 each. They included an eyeshadow palette, so I get to do swatches. It's a $22 palette. When I took out the plastic shade protector, the gold foiling around the shadows peeled off. So I don't know if that's just dumb luck because the weather's been nuts and it's been hot, it's been cold, it's been cold, it's been hot. Or is this an old palette? Those are the colors. And there's some fun-looking ones in there. Yeah, we were impressed. I mean, it's not our bright, vibrant that we prefer, yet there are some matte shades and there are some shimmer shades. The camel will now do some swatches from the Honey palette by Appeal. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. Did you see anything in this box that caught your attention? Let me do. I'm an inquiring camel. Okay, taking a quick look down here at the nitty-gritty. This is a $30, $29.99, $30 box. 5 full-size items. Some will be Illuminati brand, some will be other brands. Some brands that are not Illuminati you can find on their website. Some of them you have to go looking around for if you want to check pricing. So $30, you're supposed to get double what you put in. The shipping is $6 and then we have to pay tax. So all in, we are at $33.83. As near as I can tell with my little price hunt, because I just wanted to see if I was getting a decent return financially on my investment, because there's also, am I going to use it or not? That's a different kind of return. But from a financial standpoint, the duplicate items totaled $48, $83 for the other items. So even at $30 for the box, $83 is a good financial return. All totaled, when you put the two of those together, it's $131. So there is something financial there. It's not like I'm putting in $30 for the box and getting $15 in value. Will I use everything? Probably not. Will I use everything in every box that I get from every company? No, probably not. I'm curious to try at least one more, maybe 2 more, and see what direction it seems to go. As near as I can tell on their website, they've had this box for a while. I just never thought to look and see. We tried something new. It's good to try new things. What would you say is your favorite? Probably the 2 Illuminati products, the 2 lip products, and then that fancy liquid eyeshadow. Those would be my favorites. What do you see out there that you like? Let us know, let us know. I'm inquiring, Carol. I want to know all the details. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends. Check out our other videos. Don't forget to check out our shorts playlist. We got lots of things over there too. Shorts go up on Saturdays and Sundays. Thanks for your time today, and we hope to see you soon.